Have you ever met people who complain that even though they eat almost nothing, they still gain weight? Are you familiar with those who can eat everything and remain thin? It turns out that the matter is in the metabolism. It is individual for everyone. It is partly true and partly a myth that metabolism is the key to weight. The obesity trend cannot be fully explained by a slow metabolism. In most cases, when someone blames metabolism for the weight gained, it is enough to eat right and move more than the weight goes away. Whether your metabolism is fast or slow, our body stores excess energy in fat cells. Therefore, if you consume more calories than your body expends, then you gain weight. On the other hand, if you eat and drink fewer calories than your daily activities including exercise, rest, and sleep, you will lose weight. How quickly your calories are burned is, of course, metabolic. Some people inherit a fast metabolism. Men tend to burn more calories than women, even during rest. And in most people, after 40 years of age, the metabolism slows down steadily. Although you have no control over your age, gender, or genetics, there are some ways to improve your metabolism. Your body is constantly burning calories even when you are not doing anything. This resting metabolic rate is much higher in people with large muscle mass. Each pound of muscle uses about 6 calories a day just to maintain itself, while the same amount of fat burns only 2 calories a day. This slight difference can increase over time. After strength training, muscles throughout the body are activated, increasing the average daily metabolic rate. Aerobic exercise is the most effective way to burn calories and includes activities such as walking, cycling, and swimming. Include at least 30 minutes of physical activity in your daily routine. If you want to lose weight or achieve some fitness gains, you may need even more of the time you usually devote to sports. If you can't make time for a longer workout, try 10-minute periods of activity throughout the day. Remember, the more active you are, the more benefit. Your body needs water to process calories. If you are even slightly dehydrated, your metabolism may slow down. To avoid this effect, drink a glass of water or other unsweetened beverage before every meal and snack. Also, snack on fresh fruit and vegetables that contain water rather than pretzels or chips. Eating more frequent meals can help you lose weight. When you eat a lot, with long breaks, your metabolism slows down between meals. A small snack every 3-4 hours supports your metabolism, so you'll burn more calories throughout the day. Spicy foods contain natural chemicals that can speed up your metabolism. Cooking food with a tablespoon of chopped red or green chili peppers can boost your metabolism. The effect is, of course, temporary, but if you eat spicy foods often, the benefits may increase. However, remember that the stomach can suffer from spicy food. Your body burns a lot more calories by digesting protein than fat or carbohydrates. As part of a balanced diet, replacing some carbohydrates with lean, protein-rich foods can speed up your metabolism during meals. Good sources of protein include lean beef, turkey, fish, white chicken, tofu, nuts, beans, eggs, and low-fat dairy products. In moderation, one of the benefits of coffee can be a short-term increase in metabolic rate. Caffeine can help you get less tired and even increase your endurance while exercising. For this reason, many drink energy drinks to speed up metabolism. Emergency diets are those that consume less than 1,200 if you are a woman or 1,800 if you are a man calories per day. They are harmful to those hoping to speed up their metabolism. Although this way of losing weight can help you lose weight in no time, it has unpleasant consequences. As a result of emergency weight loss, you can lose muscle, which in turn slows down your metabolism. The bottom line is that your body is burning fewer calories and gaining weight faster than it did before the diet. Making small lifestyle changes and incorporating these tips into your daily routine can improve your metabolism. A faster metabolism can help you lose and maintain weight, and it can also give you more energy. Nevertheless, even if you do have high hopes for speeding up your metabolism in order to lose weight, it is better to pay attention to your diet and physical activity first. Also, it is recommended to combine all of the above with a dietary supplement called RESURGE. There has never been anything like RESURGE in health history. RESURGE is the world's first and only anti-aging nutritional protocol that targets the true cause of unexplained weight gain, persistent belly fat, and slow metabolism. RESURGE is the only product in the world that contains 8 special nutrients in precise amounts, scientifically proven to improve deep sleep and accelerate natural metabolic regeneration in both women and men. Burning fat, restoring health and turning the clock back just couldn't be easier and more automatic. RESURGE is 100% natural, safe and effective. Many thousands of people enjoy taking RESURGE every day and absolutely no side effects have been reported. Each RESURGE capsule is manufactured here in the USA in our state-of-the-art FDA-approved and GMP Good Manufacturing Practice certified facility to the most sterile, rigorous and precise standards. RESURGE is completely natural, vegetarian and non-GMO. As always, if you have a medical condition, it is advisable to consult your doctor.